Semaj. From the moment we started hanging out, I knew I didn't want it to end. The smile you put on my face is constantly cheesing, and there isn't a day where you don't make me laugh. I love how you respect me as a woman, but most importantly, I love how great of a team we are. With you, I know that I can make it through anything. I promise to love you, cherish you, and be there for you in sickness, health, thick, thin, and everything in between. I love you, and I'm so happy and blessed to spend my life with my travel buddy and my best friend. Here's to forever, and here's to us.
Briana, the day I met you, I had no idea you would end up being the best friend and partner I've ever had. From the very beginning, you've always been extremely sweet and kind to me, and you just keep getting sweeter and sweeter and sweeter. So I need you to slow down because you know I'm pre-exposed to diabetes. Obviously, I'm joking. And I love that you love all my jokes. And I can't wait to spend my life with you and see your flowers bloom. Love, Semaj.
You're funny, baby.
Here we go, hold hands.